Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about a couple of new cables announced by Stuffcool. So Stuffcool is one of those brands which have been producing some really good chargers and cables. Now they come up with their new cables, the USB Type A to Type C and Type C to Type C cables. Now these are branded Ekolo cables for the simple reason they are made with recycled materials without using any sort of materials which can damage the environment. So these are completely recycled materials, and even the box packaging also is made of recycled materials without using any sort of plastic in the box package. So these are recycled cables. Two of them are there. One is the USB Type A to Type C cable, the Ekolo Sync and Charge cable. The other one is Type C to Type C cable, again the Ekolo Sync and Charge cable. So we'll talk about these two cables. So one by one we'll talk about what are the features it offers. So this is the first one, USB Type A to Type C cable, Ekolo Sync and Charge. 5 ampere super fast charging is supported, so you can use this cable with the fast charging protocols like the OnePlus or the Oppo's charger or Xiaomi's fast charging. So all those are supported here. Then the back of the box, it mentions all the features. USB Type A to Type C, 30,000 times bend lifespan. So this cable are strong enough or rather has a coating or a kind of strong metal build or metal shield for maximum durability, and 30,000 times it can be bent in the lifespan without damaging it. Premium durable mixed with white and black fabric design. 5 ampere super fast charging, and then built-in metal shield for maximum durability. 1.2 meters in length, USB 2.0 support, 480 Mbps data transfer, and made from 96% post-consumer recycled plastic and 4% polyester. So there is negative carbon footprint and 100% plastic free packaging. So that's the specialty, and this is priced 699, that's 700 rupees. So this is the USB Type A to Type C cable, and this is the Type C to Type C cable, again similar. This is again 30,000 bend test supported, and then you get a PD 60 watt charging, 30 minutes to fast charging, 80% battery for USB Type C enabled devices. So it is also suitable for laptop charging too. So if you have a USB Type C laptop with like say 60 or 45 watt charging, you can use this Type C to Type C cable. Now that's again pretty good. Again, rest of the features remains the same. This is again 1.2 meter in length, and this is priced 649 rupees. That's 650 rupees in India. So let's just open these two cables and let's see how they look. So you can see here the entire material looks recycled, nothing plastic in the box. So you can see a small step for a big difference. Cable made with eco materials, which is really good. This is the plastic free packaging which they are provided. So it looks pretty good. Now these are the cables. So there you go. You can see that the cables are made from fabric. You can see here black and white fabric material. Again, pretty good looking one. You can see the USB Type A to Type C. Again, you can see that this supports fast charging. Looks pretty good. And the bend test, what they're saying is few of the brands when they provide the cables in the box package, we have seen that over a period of time they bend and they cause damage to the cable, and resulting in damages and even the end portion getting damaged. This is one area where the maximum damage can occur, because when you use for charging results in a lot of bending. So you can see here this is how the bending happens, and this can actually damage this portion. And here we have around 30,000 bend test supported. So you can see it's pretty good, 1.2 meter in length, and looks pretty good, solid material, and the construction also looks good. Now let's see the other one. So this is the USB Type C to Type C charging. Again, this supports laptops as well, so that's another good thing. So again, similar packaging is employed here as well. So this is the USB Type C to Type C cable. So there also you can see that this is made of recycled materials, and you can see the Stuffcool branding here. Now this supports 60 watt PD charging, so that should be able to charge devices like say the OnePlus 9 Pro and even the Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra, and even laptops can be used to charge using this cable. So let's just try a couple of smartphones and we'll show you how it works. So now we are connecting this cable to the Mi 11 Ultra using the 67 watt charger on for the Mi 11 Ultra. So you can see here. Let's see how it is connected. So you can see that right now it's charging normally, and you can see that the Mi Turbo Charge is available. So this actually supports the faster protocols. This actually supports up to 65 watt charging. So you can see that it is pretty good for charging devices which have this fast charging support. So we also tried charging our MacBook Pro M1 with this, and it works pretty well. You can actually see that it will charge the MacBook Pro M1 as well. So it's quite a handy cable if you want to replace your existing cable which is worn out. This is a pretty good solution. Couple of reasons. One is it supports faster charging, and this is also environmental friendly charger cables available from StuffCool. So that was an overview and features of the Ekolo cables from StuffCool. They are available for 649 rupees and 699 rupees for the two cables. These will be Type C to Type C and Type A to Type C, available on StuffCool website. So we'll share the link in the description of this video in case you are interested to buy these cables. So that is our experience with the StuffCool cables, the Ekolo branded cables. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.